In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled issue on Windows 11. When you see this message, it usually means Windows or your network prevented Adobe from verifying your license. The fix is to make sure your Adobe account is signed in and that Windows Defender Firewall isn't blocking the app by mistake. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can get back to work. First, open the Creative Cloud desktop app and sign in with your Adobe account. If you're already signed in, sign out and sign back in to refresh your license. Launch the affected app from within Creative Cloud to prompt a new license check. While you're here, make sure your subscription is active and the app is up to date, because outdated versions can trigger licensing hiccups. Next, verify that your Windows clock is correct. On Windows 11, licensing relies on accurate time. Open your date and time settings and turn on set time automatically and set time zone automatically. A mismatched clock is a surprisingly common cause of license errors. Now let's confirm Windows Defender Firewall isn't blocking the app. Open the Start menu, search for Windows Defender Firewall, and open it. Click Advanced Settings on the left to open the Firewall console. On the left, select Inbound Rules. Look through the list for entries that mention your Adobe app or Adobe services. If you see rules that explicitly block your app's connections and you didn't create them intentionally, right-click and delete them. Removing unnecessary blocks allows the app to reach Adobe's licensing servers. Repeat the same review under Outbound Rules on the left and remove any rules that block your Adobe app there as well. The goal is to eliminate conflicting rules so the app can verify your license normally. After that, close the Adobe app if it's open, then open it again from the Creative Cloud desktop app. Give it a moment on the home screen so it can complete the online check. If you're on a metered or flaky connection, try a more stable network and temporarily pause VPNs or strict security tools that might interfere, then launch the app again. If you still see the message, update the Creative Cloud desktop app itself, then update the affected Adobe app. Persistent issues can also be tied to account problems, so sign in to your Adobe account in a web browser to confirm your plan status. And if nothing works, reach out to Adobe support with the exact error wording so they can review your license on their end. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more straightforward Windows and Adobe troubleshooting guides.